I have taken decision. I have to do something better from my previous. So I'm really crazy for learn English. I'm really crazy for practicing. Assalamu alaikum. Hello there. Welcome to Tamim's English Care. My dear brothers and sisters, receive my cordial love from my core of heart. I'm really grateful to you. Nowadays you are supporting me. Nowadays you are watching my videos and inspired me. I'm really motivated from your comment, from your feedback. Okay, and all praises to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm really grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who is giving me such a amazing opportunities. Now I am delivering my speech by the mercy of Lord. Okay, and I want to share with you the practicing method is nature. Okay, now I am enjoy the nature. Apart from this, I am practicing my English. Nature is a really enjoyable and nature is really effective for us to help us. Like now the nature helped me to practice my English. So I'm really crazy for learn English. I'm really crazy for practicing, and I have taken decision. I have to do something better from my previous, and it was my childhood dream. I have to learn English, and when I was child, at this moment I was dream if I had speak English, oh, it would be really great. Nowadays I can speak something, but once upon a time I wasn't able to say something. I wasn't able to speak any single word, but nowadays I can say something little bit. So this is a really big opportunity for me. You can see how is it possible. The thing is possible for practice. Okay, I have been practicing for more than 2 years. Okay, and I have taken recently decision, then I will do something better, then I have to practice. So I usually try to spend my time with English. Okay, now I am also enjoy the atmosphere and practicing English.